Hello, my name is Edwin Edebere, the Chief Happiness Officer. When people find out that I teach happiness, one of the most common questions I get is, can you really teach happiness? And the answer is yes, especially when you approach it as happiness as a skill. Here is a fact. You want to be good in anything, you learn the skills and you practice them. Happiness is not any different. So I like to invite you to join one of my happy classes, where you will learn what to do when life throws you a curveball and many more powerful skills that can help you increase and sustain your level of happiness. So whether you are a business owner, a manager, a professional, a salesperson, a teacher, a student, a parent, or an employee that want to take full control of your happiness, join me at hmpabc.com/happy class. And let's make this world a happier place.